All right, so I have these Zoegaa screen protectors right here. Protect your screen, so they say. Premium screen protector. It says at the bottom. I'm just going to go ahead and open them up gently and pull them out. Like, I'm going to be putting them on my screen right here on my laptop and pull them out. Pull out the screen protector. So it pulls out like that and comes out of a sleeve. And it's nicely protected. And I'm going to put it on like this. There's a magnetic strip that keeps it right here. And view, so you can put it on there. So it clips on there. All right, and then I'm going to show you how it works with the screen. And you see with the screen, you can see how it's like that. And when I turn it, you can't see much. And when it goes to this angle, you can't see anything on the screen. All right, so I'm going to spin it back. You see how you can't see anything? And then you can see it if you're looking at it straight on. All right.